Scooby came out, going back to bed. He's waiting to go home. Alright, we got some new shirts in. I got 3 boxes of them here. So, what, you want to open them or want me to open them?
I can open them.
You're going to hold the camera though.
Yep.
So these are all Hanes beefy-Ts, short and long sleeve. I got some old styles coming in next week from another place. So these ones here, a list of crap. These are big. So they put the space between the California and San Diego, which makes it look like it's supposed to. So they did, instead of putting a third color or second color in here, they did a dot matrix thing here on the back side. So it doesn't really look that much color change. So grab me one of my other ones down here. One of these opened up down there somewhere. We'll make one open up. Just grab me one. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, we have black to black.
Poplar size small. This one had the space in there. So you can see how this one has the different shade of blue in it.
Oh yeah.
This one here they
just did less of this color blue.
It's the same color blue, they just added some black dots in there, kind of blended it a little bit. So which design do you like? Oh, this one has a Specialized and sell Harley Davidson too in it. I knew I had one like that somewhere. So this one just has street to strip in it. So do you like the color fade? Different color? Do you like me to have more wording in it and like that instead of this? This is a little bit bigger looking. It probably isn't, it just looks bigger. So what your preference is? It's too late this time, but we're gonna, I'm always making shirts. So anyway, we got these all in. So I think we got black in. Now these are not plastic wrap because that cost $1 more extra shirt. So is it worth having them individually plastic wrapped or not?
Less waste.
Yeah, that means you're gonna get more chance of being dirty before I sell them. Plus they sell quickly. So what's this one over here got in it? We're also working on new hats too. So instead of having the Tatro machine like this on the hat, I'm going to try to get the logo on there, like on the shirt. Yeah, this must be red. Quantities, lots of them. There's some white ones in there too. Looks a little bit better on the red one, you can see it better, more dark. There you go. There's the guy making them, Joe. He also has a Harley I helped him get running. So he's a viewer too. So there's blues, reds, greens, navy, grays, and white. Got all kinds of colors. So I'll be putting these up on the website I don't know, tonight hopefully, if not tomorrow night. So there will be some extra larges in these for everybody that was wanting them. So there you go. Phoenix in the other box. My knife. Next we're going to have short sleeve and long sleeve. I don't know what the pocket situation is. It's really hard to get stuff right now because nobody's making stuff. Obviously these have a pocket on this one. So these are what, probably long sleeve? No, these are short sleeve. Okay, so I got short sleeve with and without pocket. And this is black, gray, red, more black. rest are all black. Those had the pockets. And these had the pockets too. These are long sleeve. What is this one? The one I wear up here? See, I don't wear long sleeve and I don't have pockets. So, did I get any shirts in this group or not? Probably not. No, these are pocket. I don't want any of these. These are all junk.
You can put your pens in there.
Give me a pin right here. Fuck you off. So great. No shirts for me again. Oh well. I have to wear one of these small ones over here. Can I fit in a small? Let's go this way. Oh well. This one's still clean. There you go. It's perfect. It's only got a couple holes in it. See, no pocket. What's this one? This has got the old logo on it. It's an old one. These shirts are, I'm wearing these shirts in the videos. They're like 5-year-old shirts I've been wearing. You know, they vary, but they're all pretty long. So my shirts are made to last. They're thick. They're 6-ounce shirts and they're made to last. No cheap, flimsy ass girly shirts here. You gotta go elsewhere. All right, that's it for those.